Good afternoon to our dedicated school administrator, Pastor Mariby Collantes, to our spiritual director, Pastor Leonard Collantes, to our respected principal, Sir Raymond Maglari, beloved teachers, amazing parents, honored guests, and of course, my fellow graduates. Wow! Finally, we made it! Can you all believe it? Today, I stand in front of you with a heart full of joy and gratitude. It feels like just yesterday when we started here in Maranatha Christian Academy. Some of us were excited to meet new friends, a chance to make beautiful memories, to discover new learnings, to unlock new possibilities, and felt a little numb in our stomach. As time went by, we experienced countless assignments, group projects, and even pop quiz. But here we are, soaring high to the top. As I stand here, I feel a mix of emotions. Excitement, happiness, and even a little nervous. But most importantly, I feel proud. Proud of everything we've gone through and achieved together. For more than 6 years, we've shared so many unforgettable memories, whether memorizing Bible verse during exam or quiz day, cheering each other during foundation day, or even sharing stories and laughs during break time. When we have school projects, we try to connect each other in Messenger and encourage one another in every contest or quizzes. Our school has taught us that in life, we have not only grown academically, but also spiritually, and that makes this day even more meaningful and special. It is about having a heart that reflects Christ's love and a heart that is always ready to assist when someone needs us. I remember my first day. I was so shy and nervous. But as the days went by, I became more acquainted with everybody. Because our teachers are very kind and approachable. We discovered a lot of new things by understanding the value of kindness and respect towards other people. Our faith has been developed, friendship flourished, and eventually, we grew closer to God. Though, at times we've doubted ourselves, we have learned that with hard work, dedication, and prayer, we can overcome everything. Throughout our journey, we have learned that test is not measured solely by grades, but by the values that we uphold and embody. Our school has taught us to be kind always and to stand firm in our faith, even in difficult times. And we have learned to trust in God's plan. To our school administrator, Pastor Mariby Collantes, to our spiritual director, Pastor Leonard Collantes, thank you for making Maranatha Christian Academy our second home. We are very grateful for your commitment, hard work, and for making our school a place where learning, growth, and faith flourish. We will never forget the values that we gained here, and we will carry this with us as we move forward to continue our dreams. To our principal, Sir Raymond Maglari, thank you for being a strong pillar when it comes to leadership. Thank you for guiding us and for nurturing us to strive for excellence. Thank you for believing in us, for that we can do it all, and for inspiring us to aim higher. To our amazing teachers, thank you for your love, understanding, guidance, and patience, especially when we ask, Teacher, kasali po ba ito? Or minsan, Teacher, hindi ko po gets. You have been our guiding lights. Thank you for nurturing us, for believing in us, for being our cheerleader inside our classroom, and for inspiring us to walk in God's truth. To our parents and families, thank you for being our number one supporters in our study sessions. Ma, Pa, Nay, may project kami. Kailangan namin ng materyales na ganito. Ma, Pa, Nay, may chat si teacher. May meeting daw sa school. Thank you for thank you for your love, understanding, and most importantly, for not giving up on us. You have been our greatest support system, and we are forever grateful. To my fellow graduates, we made it! Thank you for the laughter that brightened our rooms every day, the support you have given, and the friendship that made this journey meaningful, memorable, and extraordinary. As we move forward to the next level, I know things will be a little difficult, but our journey doesn't end here. This is just the beginning of a beautiful tomorrow. So, let's face the future with full of courage, determination, and faith. We may travel different roads, but the values that we have learned here will always be our guiding principle to guide our way, to walk with God, and trust in His timing. So let us remember that we are molded as warriors of faith. So let us continue to shine God's light wherever we go and make a positive impact in this world. I will end my speech with this verse. Proverbs 3, verse 5 to 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understandings. In all ways acknowledge Him, and He will make your path straight. Congratulations, class of 2025. A farewell, but not a goodbye. Thank you.